Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make dotted box in Photoshop. Creating a dotted box in Photoshop means adding a dash or dotted outline around a shape. This is useful for highlighting area, dashing UI elements and creating clean graphics layouts. So let's get started. Create a new layer. Right click on your mouse, rectangle tool, mode shape mode without fill. Only use stroke. Choose style, dotted, dash line, dotted line, align, medium. Press enter. Then hold shift for the fix square size or do not hold shift. Simply click anywhere, then draw a box. Increase the stroke size. That's it. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.